Hello everyone, welcome once again to Investing with a Difference. I think this is one of the biggest news story evolving on EOS, and I wanted to talk about it. So there are a couple of positive news. Let me start with one of the thing which came up from Weiss rating. So this is a rating agency which looks at all the crypto projects, and I think we have been hearing that China Research Institute has been rating EOS as number one for a long time, and now Weiss rating has come as EOS being one of the topmost cryptocurrencies. And it's not just crypto, it's about the projects they're talking about. And they highlighted that they have a lot of volumes. They're highlighting that the kind of use cases which are evolving is really amazing, and EOS has been getting the attention. But the bigger story I think I wanted to talk about is the news about the V account, which is a virtual accounts, just like virtual RAM, which LiquidApps had announced. And this is an effort uh, to reduce the cost for dApp developers to onboard users. And specifically, we are talking about in a dApp specific context when you're trying to give accounts to people. Now, using the V accounts feature, you can give free virtual accounts to everybody who will have their own public key. They will be able to interact with the mainnet using a DSP, using a actual single mainnet account. But for them, it will almost be same as doing an action on mainnet directly using this their own public keys. So this is it's a great feature, because I think right now when a new app is launching, for example, what happened with SenseChat, with a lot of other things we have seen in recent times, where to get the adoption, they are trying to give away EOS mainnet accounts. Not all developers are able to afford it, because every EOS account costs a few dollars. And I think if they can create a contract here, like over the DSP network, using the dApp network, and the each of these DSPs who are running this dApp network, they can provide these packages where they can create a single account on EOS mainnet going through these virtual accounts. And as and when there is a transaction done, they can use these virtual accounts. Moreover, they have suggested how these can be based on the economic value of that user. The dApp can decide later on to switch that user to actual mainnet account using the same key. So all these great ideas, I think, are possible with VRAM. And now I think there is nothing stopping from a dApp developer to onboard millions of users and target those millions of users using V accounts. So I think this is a great story. This is going to be, I think, groundbreaking from the perspective of how to get millions of users. Moreover, I'm also trying to figure out how this can be used for EOS governance process. For example, a lot of exchanges have been complaining that they cannot, like, we do question their intention, whether they are really interested in passing on the votes of the actual user to the mainnet. But there was a obvious problem when where you cannot really create a account for every user on the exchange on the mainnet, because it's cost prohibitive, it's logistically impossible. But with VRAM and with V accounts, now I think this will be a good chance, where I'm actually proposing a bounty as a proxy in Investing with the Difference. And we are suggesting that somebody should come up with a solution where exchanges can create this V account for every user on their platform and try to vote for all of them on the mainnet directly. So that is going to be interesting if somebody can implement this, and I'm going to chase this as a proxy. And finally, I would like to say, if you are a dApp developer, we at Blockstart, so we have this incubator. We talk about it quite a few times. If you are building an idea, you if you are looking for what's the best technologies to use, how to really go to mass adoption, I think what's our strength in Blockstart is we are working with these apps, we are advising them on how to really achieve mass adoption. And that's something which we can help you. So if you are looking for an idea, you are building, do contact us, how we can help you. And especially concepts like VRAM, V accounts, and a lot of other great ideas are evolving in EOS world beyond the basic smart contracts and EOS IO knowledge. We are trying to build all this community knowledge at our end, and we are helping you. So do not forget, I think it's still early days, but the technology is moving very fast. I think we are seeing that from the ratings of EOS going at number one. We are seeing free accounts being possible now in EOS. So it's not too far, I can foresee that we will have some mass adoption apps coming, which will show us like a millions of user on EOS using blockchain applications. So that's something which I think is not far away with all the innovation in this EOS world. So again, thanks a lot for joining. Do like and share this video for people who are still trying to understand why we are so excited about EOS, and do let us know what you think about it. Thank you. Bye bye.